Hi, today we'll talk about top 10 programming languages in 2023 that you can learn. There are hundreds of programming languages in the industry and the trends change on several factors. However, some programming languages are currently popular and expected to stay in demand based on a range of use cases. And those are the ones that we'll be talking about. So let's get started. At 10, we have TypeScript. TypeScript is developed by Microsoft. It's a strictly syntactical superset, JavaScript, and adds optional static typing to the language. TypeScript is designed for the development of large applications and can be used with any JavaScript code, both on the client side as well as on the server side. It is often used to build applications with Angular, React, Vue.js. One of the main benefits of TypeScript is the ability to catch type errors before you run the code, right? Which can help you save a lot of time in debugging. It also includes a lot of features such as interfaces, classes, which makes the code much easier to read and maintain. Next, at number 9, we have Scala. Scala is a general purpose programming language that is designed to be concise and expressive. It is again statically typed language, which means that the type of the value must be known at compile time. Scala has a strong emphasis on functional programming, and it supports both object-oriented and functional programming paradigms. It also has a powerful type system that can help you catch errors early in the development process. Scala is often used to build distributed systems, and it is known for its ability to scale. It is commonly used in data processing and analytics, also majorly used in machine learning and other areas which involve a large amount of data. Next, at number 8, we have Go, also called Golang, which is a programming language developed at Google. It is also a statically typed language with a syntax which is similar to C, but with much more added features such as garbage collection, support for concurrent programming, right? Go is designed to be simple and easy to learn, and it is often used to build web servers, networking tools, and other system level software. It is well suited for creating distributed systems because of its support for concurrency and strong support for networking. One of the main benefits of Go is its performance. It is a compiled language and it is designed to be efficient and fast. It is easy to deploy since the compiled code can run on any machine with the Go runtime, where the Go runtime is installed. At number 7, we have Swift. Swift is a programming language developed by Apple and to be efficient in terms of performance. It is commonly used to build applications for Apple's platforms such as iOS, iPadOS, macOS, etc. It is also used to build several server-side applications, and it is increasingly used to build cross-platform applications also. One of the main benefits of Swift is that it is easy to learn, especially if you are already familiar with object-oriented programming concepts. It is also expressive, which means that you can write code that is easy to read and maintain and understand, right? So which makes Swift also very popular. Next, at number 6, we have C#. C# is also a programming language that is developed by Microsoft. It is object-oriented and it is designed to be easy and simple to learn. It is commonly used to build Windows desktop applications, phone apps, and store apps. It is also used to build web applications, and it is increasingly being used for building cross-platform applications also. One of the major benefits of C# is its simplicity. It is a high-level language, which means that it is easier to write and read than lower-level languages, which are C or assembly-level languages. It also has a rich set of features, including obviously support for object-oriented programming, but also generics, asynchronous programming, which also makes C# still stay in demand. Now we come to the top 5 of the programming languages that I think are going to stay in 2023 and beyond. At number 5, we have R. R is a programming language and software environment for statistical computing and graphics. It is widely used by statisticians, data scientists, researchers for data analysis, where there are large and huge amounts of data that you basically work with. It also has a very active community of users. Like I mentioned, it is used for data analysis with large number of libraries and packages that can be used to perform a wide range of statistical analysis and data visualization. It is also an interpreted language, which means that you can run R code interactively, which makes it easy to try out different approaches and see the results immediately. One of the main benefits of R is its ability to handle large and humongous volumes of data. It is designed to be efficient and scalable, and it can handle datasets that are too large to fit in memory. It is also a free and open source software, which means that anyone can use it and contribute to its development. So R is very popular. At number 4, we have C++, which shouldn't come as any surprise. One of the oldest languages that is around, was developed in 1970s and 80s. Both are low-level languages, which means that they are more harder, more closer to the hardware, and more efficient in terms of performance than any high-level languages, right? C specifically is a procedural language, which means that it is based on a sequence of commands that are executed one after the other. It is simple and efficient language, and it is often used to build operating systems, compilers, and other system-level software. C C++ is an object-oriented language, which means that it is based on the idea of objects that can contain both data and code. It is more powerful and flexible language than C to some extent, and it is often used for building large-scale applications such as games, device drivers, graphic libraries, web browsers, right? So C++ were in demand and is going to stay in demand. The top 3, okay, the third one is JavaScript. I think JavaScript might come as a surprise because many people put it as rank 1. Which might also be true depending on the use cases where you are using it. But I have it as number 3 because JavaScript is a programming language that is commonly used for building interactive websites and web applications, which is a subset of the tech industry. In the current domain, websites and web apps are the most popular types of tools and applications that are being built, which is why JavaScript has gained the popularity. But obviously it is a high level dynamically typed language, which means that it is easy to read and write, and it is flexible in terms of the types of data that it can manipulate. JavaScript is used to add interactivity to websites, such as reacting to user input, updating page content, controlling web page behavior. It is run in a web browser, and it is supported by all modern web browsers, which makes it convenient, one of the convenient choices for building web applications. It can be used to build wide range of applications, from simple websites to complex web-based systems. It is also easy to learn. There is a host of community support, and there are large number of resources and libraries that are available for you. If you want to get started, you can easily get access to them. At number 2, now we are coming to the top 2. So at number 2, we have Java. Java is a programming language and a software platform that is developed by Sun Microsystems, which is currently owned by Oracle. It is again an object-oriented programming language, which is easy, simple to learn, but it is also very powerful and has a application across a wide range of use cases, right? Primarily, it is used to build enterprise level applications. So most of the time, if you're building anything that is a large scale distributed application, most of the time, such as web servers or any large scale application, distributed systems, database systems, financial applications, Android, any kind of mobile Android apps, Java is one of the major languages that will be used. One of the main benefits of Java is its portability, which means that it can run on any device that has a JVM installed, which means a Java virtual machine installed, which makes it a convenient choice for building applications that need to be deployed on a wide range of platforms, right? So Java is at number 2. And can anyone guess what is number 1? Okay, so number 1 at the top of the rank is Python. Python has been gaining popularity, and it is going to stay. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language that is widely used for building web applications, data analysis, artificial intelligence, scientific computing. So Python has the use cases across similar to Java in various fields. It is also a dynamically typed language, which means that you don't need to specify the type of a variable, right, when you declare it, and the type can change at any time. So Python is known for its simplicity, readability. It has a large and active community of users. It is also very versatile, and it can be used for building a wide range of applications, from normal simple scripts to very complex systems. One of the main benefits of Python is its standard library, which includes modules for almost any kind of task that you can imagine. It also has a large number of third-party libraries and frameworks such as Django, Flask, which can be used to build web applications very quickly and easily. So those are the top 10 programming languages that you want to learn. Hopefully this was useful.